All right, so continuing on again with our equipment-free or limited equipment workout series. Again, going back to the magical mini band. And this, we're gonna go for a half kneeling press, okay? Now, the setup, again, is going to be with the band across the forearms, right? My half kneeling position, trying to get my pelvis nice and neutral. I don't want to be hiked to the side too much. Don't want to be leaning over. We've got other videos about the half kneeling position. Check those out if you want a bit more detail there. Remember, with the band, I'm trying to imagine I'm touching the elbows together, but trying to pull my wrists apart. From here, I'm trying to pull the floor together with my front foot and my back knee, and then press overhead. And then I pull back down, press overhead, and pull back down. Now, something I'm really trying to focus on is as I press, as I drive up, I'm not letting those ribs flare. Right? So it can be quite hard. That's why we've got to keep the lower body engaged. That's why I'm trying to squeeze my feet together, my front foot and my knee. I'm trying to pull together. And you can see that crease in the mat. It's like I'm trying to increase that crease, all right, to stay out of the lower back. If you are not staying out of the lower back, you can use something to elevate the front foot. That's going to increase hip flexion, which is going to limit lumbar extension, okay? Now, same thing. I've not got a magic little blue band, but instead I have a magic blue towel. And we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pull apart as hard as I can. Press overhead and pull back down. We can try both grips, prone and supine, and pull back down. Try not to let the elbows fly out to the side. Try and keep that tension on the towel. So I'm trying to pull the towel as far away from itself. I'm trying to break the towel, but at the same time, trying to touch my elbows. Oh. If this is done right, abs will be on fire. And that's it.